Made in the UK. What does it mean? I'm going to tell you about it today. For us at Lazer, made in the UK is everything from the final assembly that of course we do here, but it goes right down to the sourcing decisions that we make on our products. I'm going to tell you today in this video where the components are coming from, why we buy them from the places that we do, and what we end up with. So on this lamp, this is the Sentinel product. The Sentinel, we've had a real focus on sourcing locally. It's good for carbon footprint, it's good for quality control, and it just makes a lot of sense when we consider dealing with issues and resolving any problems that come up. Starting with the heatsink. The heatsink is produced in a foundry within about 250 miles of our factory here. So it's a foundry that's in the UK. They're smelting the aluminium themselves there. They're then trimming them. We receive them as a trimmed casting. We've then got to pre-treat it. So we ensure that we've got an excellent corrosion resistance. We're then giving it a powder coat, top coat here in our factory. That gives us full control on the quality. If we go a bit more into the lamp, we've got the reflectors. They're the next bit that jump out at people when they're looking at our product. The reflectors are not only moulded here in the UK, we also metallize them here in the UK. So to component level, we're really focusing on where we're producing it. These parts that I've mentioned, the heatsink and the reflector, are coming to us in reusable packaging. Again, it's good to reduce the carbon footprint, and we're monitoring that and making sure that actually we are heading towards our targets for carbon neutrality. PCB inside the lamp, this is a big part of the cost of the lamp. You know, the electronics, the circuit board, and so on. So we have full control over this. So you can see our circuit board and electronic storage area. We've got it climate controlled, we've got it ESD managed, and when we need to produce, let's say 1,000 circuit boards, we'll prepare that kit and we'll make sure that we give that kit to our supplier, who's about 20 miles away up the road. We'll give them that kit, they'll assemble the components onto the circuit board and return it back to us. The bezel, it's the black piece inside this lamp, moulded locally, injection moulder about 10 minutes down the road. The bracket, this is probably the piece that comes from furthest away. This is coming from a supplier in the EU. Very good supplier that we've got a good relationship with. The lens is coming from a place about 50 miles from here is where our supplier is based. They're doing the machining of the polycarbonate. They're also doing the hard coating and the printing. It gets machined to size and shipped to us where we inspect it for quality and we put it on the product. And of course, at the end of the product life cycle, it's a widely recycled material, polycarbonate. Our packaging, people will be reassured to hear that of course it comes from FSC certified forests. That means well-managed forests. It means that the packaging in the product comes from a sustainable and reliable source that can be traced. The reason we use cardboard in the packaging so extensively, it's easy to recycle. So wherever it goes in the world, wherever our customers are, they can recycle cardboard. Some of the foams and plastics that can be found in other products are of course often recyclable, but not quite so easy to recycle. A lot of our suppliers here in the UK and our supplier in the EU, of course, they have got a focus on environmental policy. They've got their ISO 9001, they've got their ISO 14001. We audit these suppliers, we ensure that they are doing what they say they're going to do, and actually it gives us pride to work with suppliers and components that have been produced in a sustainable way, and that goes right from the heatsink all the way to the lens, the reflectors, and so on. That gives you a flavour of where these products are, how these products are made, where the components are sourced. For us, made in the UK is a key part of our brand, and this product, as with all of our products, is focused on good sourcing decisions and ensuring that our environmental impact is minimised. So check us out on social media, and I hope you've enjoyed watching the video.